Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to create system restore point in Windows 11 operating system. Okay, let's start the video. Open control panel. Now click on category, select large icon. Now click on recovery option. Now click on open system restore. Now you see here system restoring system file and setting not available here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create a restore point. Click on close. Now click on configure system restore. Now you see here restore point is off. I'm going to show you how to on this. Click on this, click on configure, click on this turn on option, apply, click on OK. Okay, there is the option to create a restore point. Now click on create. I'm give name here test. Okay, click on create. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Okay, I see on screen restore point is created successfully. Now click on close. After this, click on OK. Now check restore point is created or not. Open the setting. Now you see error is not shown. Restore system file and settings. This is our restore point manual. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.